Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lexi Nardoni, and today we are going to the beach. And like I said in one of my previous vlogs, I am taking you guys to more California beaches this summer. We're not just going to that same beach we always go to, you know, the dog beach. But today we are going to Laguna. I'm gonna go pick up my best friends, Shirley and Sunny. I'm gonna drive all the way to Laguna and I'll show you which Laguna beach we go to. I think we're deciding between like Victoria Beach, Thousand Steps, or maybe another one that I haven't been to, so we shall see. Let's get going to pick them up. I was trying to beat like freaking traffic, and of course Sunny is late. Every single time. Every time. Look, we finally got Sunny. After 3 years. Sunny didn't like that, like the Greeks meant. Wow, we can see the water. Okay, we can go now. Yeah, I maybe. Getting you with like the nice beach or the houses in the background.
I'm sorry, I didn't wear my hard glasses.
Charlize's house is that one.
Wow.
Who wears shoes to the beach?
Stream Darling by 17.
Yummy lunch. Bye, house. Okay, I'm gonna log off here because there's other days we're going to the beach. So say bye, Sunny and Charlize, to the vlog.
Bye.
Bye. We may be dead because Charlize is gonna drive.
Slay.
Whoa. Hey guys, another day, another beach. Not gonna lie, the past couple days and today have been a little rough between finals and then just, you know, emotional, mental health shit. That sucks. So today we are at the beach by myself and we're just gonna take a day to, you know, just relax and vibe. And if you're ever feeling sad, just refer to this clip and we shall just be sad together and just vibe at the beach and try not to be sad anymore. Anyway, my hair's a fucking mess. Like, come on, look at this view. You can't be sad. Like, what? California? California who? This reminds me of the TikTok sound where it's like, Californians just live in an alternate reality. And I don't think we talk about that enough. As I said, insane. Tanning time. This is Leo Carrillo. I didn't check the tide, so it's gonna be high tide in an hour. I don't know how long I'll be able to stay here, and I forgot my book. But we're just gonna vibe here. The view's nice. I don't know if they're filming something over here or what. I don't know. I just need to like lay down. within an hour, my vibes have been met, and I'm ready to take on the rest of the day. So that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe down below and check out my other platforms, Instagram and TikTok. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, girlies.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.